Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court has also issued an order which is reproduced as under colon para. Seen the recommendations made by the committees constituted for prevention and remedial measures for combating the impending threat of coronavirus within bracket COVID-19 stop. The resolutions undertaken by the committees are approved in following terms colon para. Till further orders, only urgent matters would be taken by the court stop. The lawyers having urgent cases alone may appear before the court to avoid crowding in the court's stop. In case, any lawyer or the client is not present, the matter would be rotated with the same caption and no adverse order owing to absence of the advocate or the client would be passed stop. If the presence of the party has been directed, the matter may also be rotated with the same caption to other date stop. No adverse order would be passed due to absence of the party stop. That the chief medical officer be requested to ensure that doctors / medical personnel in adequate number are deployed on each entry point along with thermal imaging devices to ensure that no person within bracket employee / advocate / clerk etc. bracket close having fever / symptoms of coronavirus enters in the high court stop. If any such person is found, he / she is denied entry in the high court and follow-up action for his treatment to be taken stop para. Necessary directions earlier issued with regard to combating impending threat of coronavirus within bracket COVID-19 shall also be applicable stop. The Chief Minister has also constituted a committee with Agricultural Minister and Labour Minister under the chairmanship of the Finance Minister to submit a report regarding payment to the daily wagers so as to ensure that they are adequately paid for their survival, and the government shall ensure that the labourer working under the government agency be paid their wages through RTGS stop. The committee has been directed to submit the report within 3 days stop. The Chief Minister has also issued directives to all the district magistrates to aware the people about the pandemic at religious places by initiating talks with religious heads, Nagar Panchayat and Gram Panchayat officers had been directed to ensure sanitization stop. Chief Minister has also directed that private sector and government sector attendance through biometrics are exempted, and at the same time directives have also been issued that the employees should be encouraged to work from home and during this period their salary shall be ensured stop para. Today, there is an extraordinary situation in the country due to pandemic coronavirus and therefore, it calls for an extraordinary measures to be taken to contain COVID-19 stop. It is a situation where self-quarantine should be encouraged amongst people in the society in particular and the country in general stop para. Let a copy of this order be immediately sent to the Registrar General today itself, who shall forward the same to the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh immediately to ensure its compliance by issuing necessary directions / circulars to all the concerned authorities in the matter throughout the state within 48 hours stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ, मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।